Geelong
lowest that ever.
Yeah, in the Geelong game, I don't think Geelong had taken a contested mark inside 50 for the first 3 quarters, and then they finished with 3 or something.
While we talk on Jack Darling, take a little bit of heart though, because while the Fremantle Dockers have got some problems, and they were disappointing on the weekend against Sydney, Nat Fyne still leads
fucking idiot!
as well with 48 points. Darling sits alongside Max Gone with 42. Jack McRae is in 4th spot.
Fucking idiots. Oh, come on, you people. People are insane. Make it difficult for us people trying to get around the corner if you both decide to stop.
Straight through the lane she went?
She has to do that. No, she has to do that. Oh. She's in the left. She has to go through that lane.
Oh, there isn't one.
Well, that lane is for us turning, not for her going straight through.
Oh, okay.
So, but he stopped and she stopped, which was kind of...
stupid.
She had right of way, he didn't. But that person was just a little afraid of it, apparently.
I think the motorbikers in the front probably
yeah, let's get everybody.
Yeah. Well, they were pretty much dickheads.
Oh, get in your own lane, bitch. That one's had 2 wheels fully in my lane. Unfortunately, it's a fat lane, but I mean, really. I'm snapping and cracking probably all the way up to the shoulders.
No, my arm's sore here. Okay. Yeah, shout. Do you want to?
Oh, come on, bitch! No!
Oh,
no!
My God.
Fuck you!
Wow.
That's just wrong.
Yeah.
That is just wrong.
The European brands over the next 3 or 4 years, we're going to see a lot more electric vehicles and these plug-in hybrid vehicles. Plug-in hybrids are quite interesting. They're designed as the best of both worlds. You can recharge them from a standard power point, drive them purely on electricity for about 35 or 40 kilometres, and then beyond that, you've got a petrol engine if you need to drive further. So it's sort of designed to give you the electric for the short bursts that most people do around
what are you doing, idiot?
But still have the engine there in case you need to go further.
And does that work well? Have you driven a few of those?
I have, yeah. I've actually been in one this week.
Lights, my friend.
Yes, they do, but they're hugely compromised. I mean, when they're in electric mode, you're carrying around a lot of unnecessary hardware for the electric job. So you've got
resist the conclusion that they will, as you say, be sent to the wall. I've been a farmer, a worker in the shearing and wool industries, and a representative of sheep farmers for more than half of my life. And I haven't gone into this issue with my eyes closed or dreaming about an impossible.
Of it, which is so much food, because the entree, that enchilada thing, if you got the recipe for that, that was delicious. I said to Dad, we could make this for Dad, and you can have it.
Look at that motherfucker.
Yeah.
What did he do?
Just did a
U-turn.
U-turn.
Well, our light was green.
Yeah, in front of that car there.
I can't even see it on
where
the
Tab
camera.
had the accident here.
Yeah.
People thinking even more so that they should not drink and drive. So we'll always focus on that number. Now that might mean that as an individual motorist you might go for a couple of years without being tested, and others might be tested multiple times in the same year. But the truth is we are delivering 2.1 to 2.2 million RBCs a year, because it has an effect on road user behaviour.
My guest on the program this afternoon is the Acting Police Commissioner, Stephen Brown. The reason we're speaking to him were these extraordinary statistics coming
they're not accepting single-use packaging. Great point, Larry. Stu says, so we recycle plastic by shipping it overseas on the biggest polluters on the planet, on diesel-powered ships. Oh, the irony.
Yeah, the irony is not lost on us, Stu. Thanks. And it's interesting that you have certain movements with shoppers. In the UK, I saw videos where they go into a shopping centre,
Whoa, nice work, dickhead.
The plastic